Welcome back to the channel.
Hello,
Baby.
happy weekend.
Happy weekend, man.
We are Susu, Boo Boo, Buster, and the Wolfman.
They're making a very rare appearance, by the way,
Yes, they are.
because it's hard to get them to come up and set. He's sitting like very.
Look,
there
he's
he
trying to
goes.
get on you right now. Look.
Yes.
He wants to watch How's the Heart.
Yes,
That's
he
what we're
does.
doing today. We are doing How's the Heart.
How's the Heart?
We are doing the acoustic first, even though we've already done that one. And then we're going to do the version on CD, off the CD, Human Nature, because people have asked that we do both of them together.
Right.
Even though we did the acoustic one on a different video. So anyway,
Okay.
I'm looking forward to kind of, I haven't heard the non-acoustic version.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to hearing that.
Me too.
And the video for How's the Heart at Planet Rock was very emotional for me. Last time I watched it, I started crying. So
Yes.
prepare.
Tissues.
All right. Let me
All
let
right.
Boo-Boo
So
down
we're
and
going
let's
to
get
stop
started.
chatting and we're going to get started on this. So everybody strap in and get ready to go. Right?
Yes.
Yeesh. All right. Here we go.
Planet Rock. Planet Rock.
We see a mother with no child. We meet a stranger, poor exiled. How's the heart while it still beats? Asks and no one, another John Doe. Sorrow hides well in your shell. A fellow man with her to spare. Here I am to share the fear, an act of kindness without a name. And how's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound to human pain. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and add some more. We met where the cliff greets the sea. Shared a story, took the lead. A rose uprooted, hidden out. You know where you've been there. Now there's one who came from me. A child of light, another tale. Dear one, night will come, but not to stay. Oh, why? The answer's in the how's the heart underneath the silence. How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human pain. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and add some more. Fair winds, my love, fly towards the calm. Fly your darling arms towards a beating heart, a beating heart. How is the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human paean. Come on in, the fire's warm. How is the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human paean. Come on in, the drowning in the mire. Let us sound human being. Come on in. How's that heart underneath the silence? How's that one drowning in the mire? Let us sound human being. Come in the fire's warm by the rope and then some. How's that heart? How's that one drowning in the mire? Let us sound human being. Come in the fire's warm by the rope and then some more.
Planet Rock.
Planet Rock.
Sorry, guys. So, wow. Okay. Well, obviously, I got to you again. We have done this one before, I know, because I don't know how we reacted last time, honestly, and
Well,
I
we
don't know.
talked about, just all the hurt
yeah,
in people and in the world and in our hearts.
the first line that she mentions that really picked up on was the John Doe, just another John Doe. That's sad. It's very sad. You got to stop because I'm barely holding it together.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize. I'm teasing. You know I'm teasing. They know I'm teasing. I love you, and I'm sorry that touches you. But I tell you the parts that it's such a hopeful song, right? Because she talks about all these different things
Come on
going
in, the
on,
fire's warm.
but sound the human pain, right?
Yeah.
Put the clarion call out. Put the call out to humans. Like, we're humans. Come on in, the fire's warm. Burn the rope and dance some more, right? And I think the last time we did this, I didn't understand the burn the rope part. I thought they were maybe talking about smoking some grass, but I think I got corrected on that. So we need to do some of these that we did early on in our channel again, because that one brought so many different emotions to me, and obviously to Susan. Yeah, man, this is a hurt world. I mean, we're born into hurt, right? We mask it, especially in North America. I think that we just put on such a glaze, such a mask. And I do know when I have certain friends, Jay's one of them, Jay Morgan, that will just say, he'll just say, how's the heart? How's your heart? Because he just gets right into the deep of
He
it,
doesn't
right?
say, how you doing?
No,
He goes
how's your
straight
heart?
for the,
Yeah, just right in.
it's
man.
nice.
Yeah, there's
I
been a
think I
couple over
might
the years.
ask people that instead of, how are you doing?
Right,
Like,
how's your heart, man?
yeah.
Wow, so good. Well, listen, we've been,
We're gonna do the version from, we have to compare this one
yes.
to the one from the Human Nature.
I love this because of the acoustic feel. Now you can probably tell, I love rock and roll, and I love it loud. And I love all the stuff that's so busy, but this one, I think, needs to be done acoustically, because you really got to, I have to hone in on what she's saying. Right.
Say it louder.
I have to hone in on what she's saying.
Oh,
Right,
yes.
because this song is very important lyrically. It's so important, man. But anyway, we love you. We're not going to keep you much longer. We realize.
Do the next video.
Yes, we're going to do that. We're going to do it right now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
Sorry,
all
guys.
part of-
Okay. I am sorry. I misunderstood. We're going
So
to get
it's
this up here.
on Human Nature, and I think it's the 5th.
Well, okay. Let's just see. Is it this one? Official lyric video? I think it
Yes.
is. Okay.
Yes.
All right, guys. So thank you for bearing with
Yeah,
us.
thanks for being patient with all the
Yeah, I
snot
obviously
and
did.
tears and
Yeah, and I obviously didn't know what we were doing exactly. So we're going to do this back to back with the other one, and I hope that you enjoy it.
I'm
So,
interested. I haven't heard this yet, so I'm excited. I'm interested to see what emotions pour out when it's done in this
With it,
style.
yeah, exactly. When it's
I
done
mean,
more
'cause it
electric.
is a positive song. It just makes
It is a
sound-
positive song, but it also, it kind of peels back the Band-Aid, right? Rips the Band-Aid off of things that are going on in this world. You know, it's just tough right now, okay? I don't want to get up all into that.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I have wrong ideas what's going on, but I will tell you that it's tough right now. And if you see somebody that's hurting, if you see somebody that needs food, she'll tell you that the two things that get me every time are what?
If someone's hungry or cold.
Cold, yeah. That makes me want to cry.
Because he was hungry and cold.
Okay, so let's get started on this.
Okay.
Here we go.
We see a mother with no child. We meet a stranger, poor exiled. How's the heart while it still beats? Asks no one, another John Doe. Sorrow hides well in your shell. A fellow man with her to spare, dear one. Here I am to share the fear, an act of kindness without a name. And how's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the fire? Let us out the human being. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and then some more. We met where the cliff greets the sea. Shared a story, took the lead. Rose uprooted, head and note. You know where you've been there. Now there's one who came from me, a child of light, another tale. Dear one, night will come, but not to stay. Oh, why? The answer's in the how's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the fire? Let us out the human being. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and then some more. Fair winds towards the cold. Triumphs are being lost to words, a beating heart, a beating heart. How is that heart underneath the silence? How is the one drowning in the mire? Let us out of human pain. Come on in, the fire's burn. How is that heart underneath the silence? How is the one drowning in the mire? Let us out of human pain. Come on in, the fire's warm. How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human paean. Come on in. How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the fire? Let us sound human paean. sound, human pain. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and dance some more.
All right, so the reason I wanted to cut that short, just cut it right at the end is because I wouldn't want to forget.
Talk a little louder, maybe.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys.
I had to project his voice.
Yeah. There's so many things in this, right? It works so well as an acoustic song, so well, but also with all the production, I love that. I mean, obviously I like it either way, but I love the piano at the end with the cello in the background.
Yes.
It's gorgeous, and I've written some things that have that kind of element, and it's such a neat pairing of instruments. The piano and the cello, and again, that's neither here nor
And
there. It's just
the harmonies at the very
oh
end.
yes, that was
beautiful,
absolutely gorgeous, and kind of the interweaving. You know what I
Yes,
mean?
yeah.
It's so cool. I love production. I mean, of course, I love songs. I love beautiful lyrics, which that has. I love meaning, but man, production is.
The way they put
so cool.
different instruments
Yes.
together and on
I
top
love
of each
that.
other.
I love
Yeah.
it. I love it. This is completely an aside, this is me being an idiot. But when this first started and you watched it, did anybody else think of Wizard of Oz and the Tin Man not having a heart? That's immediately what I thought of.
I didn't think
Was
about
the Tin
that.
Man not having a heart.
If I only had a heart,
If only had a
a
heart,
brain,
and then he finally gets
the nerve.
he doesn't leave.
Yeah.
He gets a heart. It's a clock.
Right.
Remember?
Yes.
And that's as it was ticking with
Well,
the
and what's inside
song.
your heart, and you could see all the inner workings
Yes.
of that steampunk heart.
Yeah, the steampunk. We went to a steampunk festival here a number of years ago. It was great.
I
Anyway.
like the video too, even
do
though
too.
it's very simple, just the shapes and the red and the black and the grays. I want to see that again. I'm looking forward to watching that maybe later this afternoon on my own while you're taking a nap.
Of course. I mean, nap time later today, it always is. Every day is nap day.
Well,
Well, not necessarily. But listen, we wanted to thank you again for this has been an extra long video for us, and so we hope that you stick all the way through it. I had forgotten that we were going to do them back to back. I'm glad that we did. Any comments that you have, please leave them below. If you like this video, this extra long video, hit like. Please subscribe, join the family. We'd love to have you. Hit the notification bell. Share this with your friends, see what they think. Right?
Yeesh.
Yeesh. And
Yeesh. Notify? Like, subscribe, notify, share.
right, but there's we're missing a guy we hadn't seen in a while. You mentioned on the last who are we missing? Gunter.
Oh, Gunter, yeah. Gunter, please comment. Gunter,
Clark
please
is never
comment.
very far. He's right here. Hey. Yeah, Gunter, we miss you. You
Hope
comment
you're okay, and
Yes,
just let us know you're around.
Yeah, but all of you are important to us.
Yes.
Absolutely. But when we miss somebody that was so integral in the very beginning of this, we gotta say something, right? So,
Yeesh.
and peace to you all. We're still working on the
Live
on
stream.
live stream, and it'll be soon. I'm hoping to say it'll be a week from this Saturday, but maybe.
I don't know. You're the one who always has things.
I can't say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen. Thank you for putting us in your living room,
Yes.
or wherever you are, and we hope you're blessed and you're having a good day. And if you're not, I hope someone reaches out to you
Oh man.
and
Yeah, that's
open
good.
your
Helps your
heart. So I am Susu, and I'm going to say, be blessed.
And I am the Wolfman. I'm gonna say, don't hurt anybody.
Is that what hurt the heart?
Yes. Love you. Bye.